Hello everybody, it's Dom here, back once again. We'll be looking at Fallout New California, the board game expansion for the Fallout board game by Fantasy Flights. I loved playing the original take on the board game in itself, but after hearing a lot of things online, doing some research, checking it out, I have decided to go ahead and pick up the New California board game expansion as well as the Atomic Bomb ones, but we'll cover that in a different video. And I want to go through and just kind of give my first reactions off of everything. I have played one game, a very longish game of it was co-op. My sister and I played it as a Fallout board game. It was a lot of fun. It was too much fun. I loved it. I was a fan of Fallout. Even for someone who didn't know much about Fallout, my sister enjoyed it, I will say. Not speaking entirely on behalf of her, but she seemed like she enjoyed it for the most part. She could just be very good at it for me. So let's go here. We got Fallout New California components. We're going to have 12 map tiles this time, 6 scenario sheets, 5 plastic figurines with 6 character cards, though, 5 character special tokens, 6 enemy tokens also, that'll be new, 25 Wasteland, 25 Settlement, 19 Vault, 32 quest cards, 9 special cards. We're going to have 6 extra cap tokens, 6 quest markers, 6 faction tokens, 7 part cards now, 8 unique asset cards, 21 asset cards, 26 loot cards. If we go through here, I don't know why I opened up that way. That's actually weird. That's going this way that time. Okay. I don't know if the other one was like that before. Talks about additional roles, new cards, tasks, group experience, by the way. The New California scenario features a new type of reward called Group XP. When any player gains a Group XP reward, each survivor gains the indicated amount of XP. 1 Group XP. Huh. So that's actually pretty cool there. New enemy abilities, New California rules, setup, victory and loss, killed, end of round agendas, some credits there and whatnot, some playtesters information. We have all our survivors, tokens, stuff like that, but we'll actually go through and check them out there. So yeah, I'm hoping that it's New California, so it's definitely got to be doing something with Fallout New Vegas, essentially, right? You guys big New Vegas fans? So let's go here, and this is going to be opening up all the stuff here for our map tiles. I see we got Dead End Crossing, Ends Meet, Boxcar. So you got like a robot icon there. Here we have Acolyte. You got Super Mutant, Behemoth, Poseidon Oil Rig, Lost Hills Bunker. One second, let me go open this up real quick. I am actually a little far away from where I need to be to open this up. So let's go slide this in real quick so we can open this up. There we go. Got all the plastic. I'm already knocking out the tiles, I see. So not the greatest for me to be doing that right now. But there's that. So yeah, I've already knocked out all the tiles actually on that one there. So there's that. Lost Hills Bunker. We got Vault 7. We've got Ends Meet, like I said before. Poseidon Oil Rig. What was that? The Cathedral. On the back side there, that is Vault 44. On this side, it is New California Republic. Let's go. And the Hub. Everyone loves the Hub. Here we got, like I said, the Acolyte. We have a Super Mutant Behemoth. Keep on going through here. We got now Fire Ants. That's cool. Blood Bugs, I believe those are already there before. On this side, we will have the Hull, the Palisades, and just normal place here to kind of venture out and explore. On this one here, we have Robo Brain and the Mirelurk Queen. I don't know if she was actually in the previous one. Boxcar, Dead End Crossing, everything there. I have this. Let's check out figurines here. I love painting these, by the way. So stay tuned on the channel if you guys like watching me go through and paint these up. Let's see. First off, we have a little soldier here. His gun's a little bent, but we can just dip him in some hot water, clear that up for him. We have Mr. Gutsy Robot. We have an Enclave soldier, an XO1 power armor dude, compared to our previous one of the T45, I believe. Power armor for like BOS. There's a girl here. I believe she has like an alien blaster almost. It looks like. And this guy who's holding a fusion core. So it makes us wonder if we kind kind of going more towards like the mad side here on this one. Check out some of these cards here. What I learned was, and my big mistake is keep these. I didn't mention on the previous video because I didn't know what to expect, but how this box is set up here ain't necessarily the best. If you flip it over, it's actually a lot better to hold everything, but keep these little baggies there. I'll tell you that. So yeah, some missile launcher, flamer, harpoon gun, John Cassidy. I don't know who that is. Ian, he sounds really cool. So, bear traps, frag grenades, crowd grenades, bobby pins, 10mm pistols, honey rifle, pistols, just a whole bunch of junk, cap stashes. They're all great. Rad-X, Mentats, and different flavors. Nuka-Cola. Tycho, he's a Desert Ranger. Let's go. Bottle Cap Mines. Strength bobblehead, perception bobblehead. I got a whole bunch of bobbleheads actually. That's pretty cool. Ooh, we got Marcus. We can get him as a companion. Goris, a companion Deathclaw. Huh, that's actually really cool. That brings back big memories of like the Deathclaw mod. You guys ever played Oral Blues on Hearts of Iron? Tesla armor, Tesla rifle, the big Frigger. Vault security uniform, Nuka-Cola Quantum, your special, Cryolator, Gamma Gun, Advanced Power Armor, Wasteland Map, Modular X-Plating, the Mr. Handy Robot, Survivor Identity, the Trusty Sidearm, which I think actually, does it have all these? Put these guys right here and check the back of them. I think it said these cards were like 6 of them. So we have Caravan Merchant, Lone Gunslinger, Mr. Handy, MCR Ranger, and Enclave Deserter. So Mr. Handy actually has 2 cards, the Modular Exoplating, and of course the Mr. Handy Robot Identity card here. And then we have some more cards here for like Quantum. These are, I forget what these ones are. These like unique ones. So, but that's cool. That's really cool to see everybody. You know, you got Lady Butterheart. So that's all of our card bonuses there. And then we have the perks, I believe. Heavy Lifter, Concentrated Fire, Chem Resistant, Lady Killer, Black Widow, Nerd Rage, Moving Target, and Ricochet. We'll put these cards in. I'll put them back in a second. Next up, we have, this is going to be our scenario sheets. So pretty dope to see what we got going on here. Some different scenarios. We got the Rise of the Master. You can either join with the Unity or the Brotherhood of Steel. So curious to see what will be going on in that scenario there. We have a cooperative play one here, which I will take a look actually at that one in a second in particular. Capital Wasteland. I guess this is like an extended play one here. Okay, yeah, I'll take a look at that one in a second. Capital Wasteland, the Brotherhood of Steel, and the Enclave, same as before, but now it's an extended or expanded map. Slavers are, so yeah, these ones right here are all like extended scenarios. Commonwealth, so you guys remember it from before, and Far Harbor. Yeah, those are all expanded. So technically, the only like new one we really have is the Rise of the Master. And this one right here, which is a cooperative play quick reference. New California. After any type activates, advance the faction token 1 space. Victory. The star faction token reaches the final space of the power track. So, I believe we'll be facing the Enclave in that one. So maybe we're playing as the NCR. I'm not sure. I'll have to take a look at these right here. Big old bulk, big old card list here. I love these things. I love these things. They're so good. Like the story in a board game is so cool. I really like seeing that's incorporated there. So I'll kind of just go through all these. We don't really have time to go through every single individual one there. Stay tuned. Like I said, I will do playthrough hopefully of both the original board game with the expansions now, adding on some kind of like the ultimate way to play them. The expansion, by the way, if I haven't said this before in the video, welcome to California. The expansion, I believe, was about 30 bucks. So I think you can, if you're lucky, you can kind of pick them up for about 30, but the main board game itself is going to be a good bit more, like probably down like towards 50. So the Desert Vault. Yeah, kind of skimming through all these. Wacky Wasteland. Liberty Prime, companion robot. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, really curious with all those how that's gonna play a factor in the game now. But yeah, everybody that's checking out Fallout New California board game expansion. With that being said, everyone keep it safe. Until next time, peace out.